Dr. S.S. Ahmed Saab, he wants to know about Huzur's experience with, special experience with mullahs in Tablighi session.
Mullah with Tablighi Jamaat?
No, I mean Huzur has attended various Tablighi program with mullahs. And Many.
Of course, I used to have regular meetings with mullahs while in Rabwa when I was in Waqf Jadid. And sometimes the meetings lasted from morning till night, and I had very great experience of speaking to mullahs and to countering them. So that's quite right. Also, I had some discussions in Bangladesh as well, and there particularly with Tablighi Jamaat mullahs.